guys, it's Shakshi Shakti and welcome to my channel. Right now, मेरे face में कोई makeup नहीं है. I often get a lot of questions regarding my skincare, what I do for my skin. I thought of making a quick video जहाँ पे मैं मेरे top 5 skincare hacks, skincare routine mixture of सब कुछ आप बोल सकते हो. So these are my top 5 things that I do for my skin. Before getting right into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
My first tip is washing your face twice. I have been doing this for years now. Washing your face twice will really make sure that all the dirt and all the particles have really gone away from your face and it's all clean and fresh now. If you want to get rid of the blackness around your lips and all the dry skin and dead cells, you simply take a bowl, squeeze half a lemon in it, get rid of the beads, put on some sugar and mix it all well, and it's literally that simple. And just scrub it on your lip, period of 2 minutes gently, and the moment you take it off, you'll instantly feel that your lips are a lot more softer. And to totally get rid of the blackness, you will have to do this probably thrice a week. You'll start seeing the results. This tastes also really well, and you can also use the same residue for your elbows as well. Next up is for your eyebrows and eyelashes. It's really simple. You simply take castor oil in a spoolie, and I prefer taking very small quantity of oil at a time because it can get really sticky and messy. And I use the same for my eyebrows and eyelashes. In case you don't have a spoolie, you can also use earbuds. Do this thrice a week, and over a period of 1 month, you will really see the difference in your hair. Next hack is for detanning your skin. For this, I'm taking a compressed face mask. You can find these at Miniso. They're really affordable. So I take one of these and they come in a capsule form. Simply taking half a tomato in a bowl, squeezing it hard, taking out all the fresh juice, and then simply putting the tablet inside and leaving it out for a few seconds. Once the face mask is completely soaked in all the fresh juice, I'll apply the mask onto my face. I'll leave it on for 10 minutes, and the moment you remove it, you will notice slight skin lightening and smooth skin. The more often you use this, the more your skin will detan and originally get back to the same color. My skincare video is incomplete without my favorite product, which is Aloe Vera Gel, but this time I'm using the Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel. The twist is the turmeric, which is Hindi mein called haldi. We all know haldi is such a great ingredient for our skin, and the reason I like Mamaearth is because Mamaearth is chemical free and all natural. It is also plastic positive. They recycle a lot more plastic than they actually use. In case you want to buy this, you can use the code Shakshi20 and get a 20% off on mamaearth.in. It's available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. So I apply aloe vera gel twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. And the good thing about it is this can be used for your hair as well. So if my ends are dry, which most of the times it is, I apply it to the ends of my hair as well. And after the wash, you will notice it's simply a lot more softer.
So those were my top 5 things that I do for my skin. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.